What movie are they acting out here?
I think they are acting out the famous bullet time scene from The Matrix.
Ooh, nice. What do you think might happen next?
The cat is going to jump to the wall and stick the landing. It's going to be a perfect 10. Oh, and it's a miss. It looks like it was just a little too far away. But don't worry, the cat is a natural athlete and it will be back up there in no time.
Okay.
Okay, hello and welcome to the world of artificial intelligence with Faisal. Today, Google has launched their groundbreaking artificial intelligence product called Google Gemini. Google Gemini is a multimodal AI system. What is multimodal AI system? ChatGPT 3.5 was able to analyze the text and produce the answer in text. ChatGPT 4 was able to accept the text data and image data and produce the output as a text and images. But now Google Gemini has left ChatGPT behind because Google Gemini can take input in text form, images form, videos, as well as code, programming code in programming language like C, Python and other programming languages. And it can produce all the four kind of data. But I want to highlight a really important feature here. Combining all those things has become a super powerful kind of artificial intelligence system. Why? Because it is able to process or analyze the video in a real time. We are going to see a lot of examples which Google has presented on their website. Let's see all the examples and see that how real time AI is analyzing the data, taking the input, analyzing the data and producing intelligent results. And you will be amazed by the results. So let's start from the example one. Let me share my screen. Here you go, and I'm going to go to the first example and see the first example is mind-blowing. Let's see this one.
Here we go. Tell me what you see.
I see you placing a piece of paper on the table. I see a squiggly line.
What about now?
The contour lines are smooth and flowing, with no sharp angles or jagged edges. It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
Yes.
Can you see?
A duck is a type of waterfowl in the family Anatidae. Ducks are closely related to geese and swans. The duck appears to be blue. This is not a common color for ducks. However, there are some breeds of blue ducks. These are typically not as common as other duck breeds. It is more common for ducks to be brown, black, or white.
Are you sure?
What the quack? I was just talking about a blue duck, and now you're holding one. It looks like blue ducks are more common than I thought.
Would this float?
I'm not sure what material it's made of, but it looks like it might be rubber or plastic.
What if I tell you it's making a squeaking sound?
Oh, if it's squeaking, it's definitely going to float.
You saw that how it took the video input in real time. And in real time, it analyzed that what color you are doing, what is the color of your painting, and then it makes the connection that how a duck could be a blue colored duck. And then it started, actually it has a sense of humor kind of also. When you showed a blue color of duck, it responded accordingly. So it's very near to kind of human interaction. Now let's see the next feature. Next feature is further amazing thing.
Okay, based on what you see, come up with a game idea. Oh, and use emojis, please.
How about this? We can play a game called Guess the Country.
Sure, let's do it.
Clue 1. This country is the home of the kangaroo, the koala, and the Great Barrier Reef.
Australia.
Oh, that's easy.
Clue 2. This country loves football and has won the most men's World Cups in football history.
You guess? Now see,
You are trying to get me to find the paper
What's
ball
going to
under the
happen?
cup. I accept the challenge. The cup to the left.
Nice.
did you see that how it not only see what you are going to do, but in the real time what was happening in the video, how you were juggling the cups, it analyzed and kept a track on which cup the paper was. So how intelligently it is tracking every single movement. Let's move ahead.
I know what you're doing. You're playing rock, paper, scissors.
What do you see now?
The fingers are spread out to look like the wings of a butterfly.
What's this?
Big ear and barking mouth. A dog.
Sweet.
The coin should be under the right hand.
I don't know.
The coin is in the left hand using a sleight of hand technique to make it appear as if the coin has disappeared. Both objects are round and flat.
There you go.
So it can make connections. If the things are round, it is analyzing it from the picture and telling you both things are round. And keep in mind that it is continuously keeping a context. Now it is not giving you answer about the table. You put a cookie and you put a coin. It is telling you that both are round. And then let's see what it says.
Oh,
Both are food. The orange is a healthy.
See, both are foods. It made the connection, and then it gives you some really healthy information.
Healthier choice than the cookie. Citrus can be calming, and so can the spin of the fidget toy. They are both examples of popular toys that have been enjoyed by children and adults alike for many years.
give me some ideas for what I could make with this.
I see pink and green yarn. How about a dragon fruit? Or how about a green cake with a pink heart?
Okay, how about these colors? And maybe show me some animals. Mind. Which way should the duck go?
Going left leads to a duck, which is a friend. Going right leads to a bear, which is a foe. It is better to make friends than foes, so the duck should go left.
Smart choice.
See, not only it can analyze the visual data, but it can make the logical decision and can do the reasoning on the visual data, which was not there in any AI model so far, which was available publicly. Let's see something else, the translating the visuals, which is really amazing AI feature, which we haven't seen in any other tool so far. So let's see it.
I see you're drawing a guitar. You've added an amp. Now it's an electric guitar. We can make some seriously loud music now. Given that you added drums, how about some 80s hair metal? Alright, I see you've added a palm tree to the drawing. Change it up with some beachy vibes.
And here you go. So guys, the tool Google Gemini seems to be an outstanding artificial intelligence tool. What do you think? What can be done if you have that power? In the next video, I'm going to share the technical knowledge about Google Gemini, and we'll go through its technical features, technical comparison with ChatGPT and other models. So stay tuned with me, and do let me know in the comments window that what you can do with such a powerful AI model. I will see you in the next video.